Hello everyone. In this clip today, I'm gonna go over a very basic topic in mathematics. Is Appendix B, about lines. Alright? So let's start with 2 underplanes. 2 points. Okay? The first point is at x1 comma y1. The second point is at x2 comma y2. And as we all know, whenever you are given 2 points, for sure you can draw a straight line that goes through the 2 points. Okay? And the equation of the line, the very basic equation of the line is written this way: y equal to mx plus b, where m is the slope of the line and b is the y-intercept. Slope. This is y-intercept. This is a review from your intermediate algebra and college algebra, so I gotta go quick, okay? And question: how do you calculate a slope? If you know it's 2 points. Slope, used to be denoted by letter M, as you see, is calculated by rise over run, so change of y over change of x. So y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, or in short, people usually say it's what? Rise, R-I-S-E, over run. Okay? Change of y over change of x. In calculus, usually we write this way: delta y over delta x. Delta y means change of y. Delta x means change of x. Okay. There's another formula of the line equation that you guys are going to use a lot beside the slope-intercept equation that you have right here. This is called the point-slope equation of the line. I'll write that name here: slope-intercept. Talk about point-slope. This is a more general version of the slope-intercept equation. Equation of a line can be written this way: y minus y1 equal to m times x minus x1, where again here m the slope, x1, y1 is any point on the line. And this is the main formula that you guys are going to use a lot to find the equation of the line. So basically, this formula say what? Whenever you need to find the equation of a line, you guys will need 2 things: a point and the slope. The point to pin the line, and then pinpoint the line, and slope will tell you the stiffness of the line. Okay? And you have slope and a point. You plug in the formula, you will have the line. Those are the 2 basic formulas that you guys are going to use for the course. We actually have another formula, it's more general. And it doesn't give you much information. It's like this. Let me find a space to write. How about right here? AX plus BY equal to C. It's called the general formula. Alright? And you have to modify this a little bit to bring it back to slope-intercept equation to make it looks better. But this one is useful sometimes because this formula you may use to indicate any kind of line, with or without the slope. Those 2 formulas right here, you need to have a slope. A is one type of line that doesn't give you a slope: the vertical line. Okay, this line is the vertical line. It's like x equal to a number, so x equal to -3. It doesn't have a slope. Okay, the slope is undefined. Okay, other than that, all other formulas of the line gonna give you a slope, so you are pretty safe. Except for that special case when the line doesn't have a slope, and it's a vertical line, x equal to a constant. Okay, that's the main thing about the line. Now we'll talk about relationship between 2 lines. Okay, if the 2 lines that have the same distance from each other forever, we say the 2 lines are parallel. Okay, parallel. If 2 lines are parallel, they're going to have the same slope. This slope is m1, slope here is m2, same slope. It means m1 will be equal to m2. Okay? So by looking at the two lines equations, you can see the two slope and you can tell whether the two lines are parallel or not. Okay, same slope. The other case that you need to pay attention is the two lines that are perpendicular. Perpendicular. That means that two lines are going to intersect each other. And more than that, the two lines are going to make a 90-degree angle to each other. If the two lines are perpendicular to each other, the two slopes, in this case M1 and M2, is going to be opposite reciprocal. And that means the slope M2 will be equal to -1 over M1. Opposite sign, reciprocal of M1, okay? And if you multiply by M1, you can have M1 times M2 equal to -1. Those two things are the same. Opposite reciprocal, okay? Say the first line is y equal to 2 over 3x plus 1. The second line is y equal to -3 over 2x minus 4. And you know that the two lines are perpendicular because the first slope and the second slope are opposites of the sign and reciprocal of the fraction. Okay? And you have two lines perpendicular to each other. So this is a very short appendix because it's give you a review about the line, and I'm pretty sure that you guys have seen this before. I'll just try to briefly go over all the main points about the lines. If we have 2 points, we can find the slope of the line that goes through a 2 point by calculate what? Change of y or change of x, or y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay? And then you have equations, several ways to write the equation. Y equal to mx plus b, or y minus y1 equal to m times x minus x1. Alright? And if we have two lines, maybe the case two lines parallel, only if two slope equal. And then it's perpendicular, 90-degree angle. Slope are opposite reciprocal. And then this is another, I think this causes a bonus in this section. What if you are given 2 points and you want to calculate the distance between the 2 points? I call this is x1, y1, right? This point is x2, y2, right? The distance is calculated using Pythagorean theorem. Let me just write in here. Let's call the distance between the 2 points is d, and d is like the hypotenuse for the right triangle. And this distance from here to here is y2 minus y1. Distance from here to here is x2 minus x1. Okay, so d squared is equal to y2 minus y1 square plus x2 minus x1 square. Pythagorean theorem, square of the two sides, you add up equal to the hypotenuse square. And if you take square root on both sides, you get d equal to y2 minus y1 square plus x2 minus x1 square. And this is called the distance formulas. Okay, pretty much this is everything about Appendix B. Thank you for watching. Any question as usual, please don't hesitate to ask. Okay, thank you very much.